Hello, I'm Avery. Welcome to Online Income. I show ways you can make money online. Today's video is going to be about what affiliate marketing is. I'm sure you probably heard about affiliate marketing and you know that it's a way to make money, but you might not know what the concept is. So that's what I want to talk about today. I also want to make sure to let you know to subscribe to the channel and also click the notification bell to make sure you know exactly when new videos pop up for me. So let's go ahead and talk about what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when you make a sale for a company. That company will in turn pay you a commission off each sale. And the best example I can give you is just look down in the description box. You can see some products that I promote myself, like this microphone or the camera, for instance. Every time somebody clicks on those links, and they buy the product, I will make a commission off that. And by the way, if you want to, you like microphones, like the way I sound and stuff, you like the way I look, you can go ahead and buy it. You know what I'm saying? Help me out with a little bit. But to get back on subject, once you partner with a company, they will give you a unique link, and that's how they'll keep track of every purchase you make or every time someone clicks on your link. So how exactly do you get paid? You get paid either by a percentage or you get paid a flat fee for every sale you make. So let's go with Amazon as an example for both of these because they use both situations. So for example, musical instruments, every time someone generates a sale for them, they receive 6% off musical instruments. Audible is a part of Amazon as well. So if you promote Audible's 1 month subscription, you'll receive $5 for that. Every single person that you produce a sale for, 6%, or you get $5 for Audible. Not only do you get paid per sale with companies, but there are other companies where you can get paid per lead. Like if you get someone to sign up to a email list or another type of subscription. And then there are ways where you get paid per click just to bring traffic to a company's website. And you will find all that out once you go through a company's criteria to understand exactly what they are promoting and what they're looking for. What companies do it? And that question is something I can't answer. You will just have to do your research on which companies do it, because sometimes some companies do have it on their website where they have a partnership program or affiliate program, something like that. But then other websites don't have it on their website, and they go through what's called an affiliate marketplace. And that affiliate marketplace is where you can find the particular company and their criteria. Companies like Impact Radius or CJ Affiliate. And I've done videos on both of those, so you can find out exactly how to set up an account and search for a company and try to partner with a company. One thing I will say that is, don't get your hopes up that you'll just be able to partner with every single company, because you more likely won't. I've tried to partner with Vistaprint for a while and I've got denied every time I tried. So I kind of just gave up on the subject. Now, why should you become an affiliate marketer? One is that it's easy to do. You don't have to overreach yourself. If you're already making content online, such as being a blogger or having your own thing, your own website, you don't have to put much effort into trying to reach out to a company or just sign up to an affiliate marketplace. Like, yes, I said that you're not going to be able to partner with every single company, but at the same time, there are plenty of companies that will not have a problem with partnering with you. Like, because you can't, partner with Coca-Cola, for example, don't mean you can't partner with Pepsi, right? So, one, it's easy to do. Two, you don't have to outreach yourself. Three, it's cheap. Like, I'm talking about these marketplaces. There are no sign-up fees that you have to do for these marketplaces, and there's no monthly fees either. If you're already on a blog or if you already have your own website, it's not gonna cost you anything to just keep doing what you're doing. Just implement the affiliate marketing into it. Three, it's a good way to make passive income. We all trying to make money online. Make money online is the name of the game. And affiliate marketing is just another way to do that. And it's another way you can do it without having to work every day for it. You have an initial setup that you got to do. But after that, once you implement it in, it's there and it stays there. Just like my YouTube video right now. Once I upload this video and you'll see it, I don't have to do any more maintenance to it. It will always be there. As with being a way to make passive income, you can potentially make more money doing affiliate marketing than your current job. It's of course depending on what kind of job you got. I mean, I guess technically if you like a millionaire or something, I don't know how long it's gonna take you to supplement that job for, affiliate marketing. But for other people that just got like a regular medium, somewhere in the medium, 40,000 or so, you have a good chance to be able to just either, if you don't want to just quit your job, and I'm gonna put my hand down, if you don't want to quit your job and just do affiliate marketing, you'll be able to increase your yearly revenue. I can't say yearly, I just said it. You'll be able to increase your yearly You'll be able to increase your yearly revenue, which is always good. So, hey, hopefully you enjoyed the information. If it was useful to you, please, once again, like, subscribe, share with a friend. Make sure you let that friend share with another friend. I will have more content coming very soon. Once again, it's online income. Thanks for watching.